Hey.
Boy, who car you got, dog?
When you work hard, this is what you get.
Cat
Man,
daddy.
yes, sir.
Cat daddy.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Yes,
man,
sir.
hey, let me get in, man.
They ain't showing you how to put the car in park.
How you gonna get a car you know how to put in park, bro?
Man, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, you lose
Appreciate
too much,
it.
but when you move my foot, you run over it, man. Hey, let me get in, man. Let me check it out, bro.
Man, you don't even give me a chance to get out.
Man, let me check it out, bro.
You don't even give me a chance to get out, man. How you doing? You good, bro?
Hey, all right. Man, I didn't see you, man. I want to see the car.
Yeah, I got you see the rims I got on it? Got the rims. Got the rims and everything on it.
Hey, let me check it out.
But your big tail can't even get in this car. Get your big ass up.
Man, guess what? I'm gonna try it today.
Man, come on, man. You about to trade this car, man. I just got this. Ain't no toy. This ain't no toy.
Oh, God, the man got a gun.
Man, who
Hey,
that?
hold up.
Bro.
Hey, hold up, Doc.
Hey, you tell me he
Who in line?
Man, who that?
Y'all
man?
got to the count of 3.
Sir, man, I came to see
Get off.
I came to see my homeboy, man. You can put the guns up. I came
This
to show
joke
my
is
new
in
ride.
his house.
You can. Hey, G, come on. Hey,
Oh,
shoot. Oh, shoot.
Open the door, man. 3.
Sir.
Oh,
Sir.
sir.
Hey, man, get your food.
Let me get it going. Hey, open the door.
Get your fat ass out of the car.
Hey,